So I have this lovely big piece of lace and it is stretchy, which is very nice. And I'm going to make a cute, well, maybe a bit more sexy dress. So I'm folding it. Oops. That's 2 layers, then I'm folding it again. So that's 4 layers. And we've got the double fold here, and you just got to make sure that the fabric is doubly folded all the way here on both sides. Then I've got my t-shirt with stretch as well. So I'm folding that too, and then I'm placing it here on top of the folded fabric. So we've got the folded t-shirt and the folded fabric here. And then I'm basically just gonna cut. And I'm going to continue the sleeves here. It's a bit like a cheat code to make an easy t-shirt. So I'm going to continue them here, and then I'm going to continue this line there. I know that my waist is here, my hips come out here, so I'm going to go down like that. So I'm going to cut. And I'm going to do like a 1 centimeter seam allowance here, approximately. And first I'm just cutting, so we have the back here of the neck opening. Then I'm doing a nice soft curve here under the arms. I'm cutting the sleeves here, so they're longer than this sleeve, but with the same angle. I'm giving it a bit more seam allowance here, but that is okay. I can always stitch it in, sew it in extra if it's too big. It's worse if I cut too much off, because I'm not quite sure that this fabric stretches in the same way that this fabric does. So maybe I want a bit more give. You can always make it smaller. Okay. Whoops. And I am going to make it all the way down, because it's going to have a slit in the sides. So full length. Then I can always cut it off when I try it on how long it's going to be, and then just cut it. So this is a 2-parter here. We've got the back and we've got the front. And I want to make the front a bit lower here in the neck opening. So here is just 1 layer that we're going to use to make the front, and I placed the t-shirt here so I can see approximately where the front line is. And then I'm just going to cut here. And this is going to be a very quick little lace dress, so I'm just going to stitch it together very quickly, and just gonna hem the edges as well very quickly. So you can see there's a little bit of difference to the front and the back of this lace. So I'm gonna make sure that I place it correctly. So this is the front side facing up, and this is also the front side, so they're facing in towards each other. And then it's simply about stitching here along the 2 shoulder seams on both sides, and then finding this corner, and then sewing all the way down here towards the bottom. Doing that on both sides, and then we have a dress. I'll show you in a moment. Here we have the stitches down the shoulder seam. I've used a zigzag stitch, also here under the arms and all the way down. In the neck opening, I folded 1 centimeter towards the back and used a zigzag stitch. And the same here in the sleeve opening. At the bottom, I have just kept it raw. So, welcome to the peep show. Just wearing it with my trousers underneath, because that actually works quite well. So here on the bottom, the edges are raw, and that works fine. Here I have folded it towards the back, and the same here. It could be taken in a little bit to make it a little bit more tight fitting, but I actually think it's quite good as it is.